So in this example, we again have 4 terms, and we're trying to write it in descending order, so we need to find the highest power of x. And we can see from this list, or from this expression, that the highest power of x is x to the power of 5. So negative 19x to the power of 5 would be my first term. So that is negative 19x to the power of 5. Now, if you inspect the rest of the algebraic expression, you see that there is not an x to the power of 4, which would be the most natural term to be written down next. So all that you need to do, you don't say 0x to the power of 4. All that you say is you're going to look for the next term, which is x to the power of 3. So I'm not skipping x to the power of 4. I'm simply looking for the next value in terms of my descending powers. So I'm done with x to the power of 3. Our next highest exponent is 2. So our next term would be 4x squared. So that becomes plus 4x squared. And our last term is negative 21. So notice there are 2 gaps here. We don't have an x to the power of 4 in our original expression, and we don't have anything which is just x, or x to the power of 1 in this expression. So these 4 terms can be written in descending order, starting from x to the power of 5, then 3, then 2, and then the constant value.